Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to show automatically the downloads on Chrome. So first of all, just go ahead to your Google Chrome and let me just go ahead to YouTube video download, right? And I'm going to just select whatever site that comes up to me, that allows me to download a video on my YouTube. And I'm going to just go ahead, let's say for example, this one, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paste the link from the YouTube, right? If you have already a link from your YouTube, just go ahead and paste it right here. So I'm gonna just cut short on this step, and I'm gonna just download this video, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click convert and just wait for a few moments right here until the quality and everything is processed. Just go ahead right here and hit download and just close the window right here appearing to you. Just hit download again and just close the window, and as you can see right here it says start new download. This will stop all the progress for your current download. Just go ahead right here, and as you can see the video is downloading, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit the download right here. As you can see the button, just wait it out for a few moments right here, and after you finish, it will be shown on your phone, right? So if you are questioning where do I find the files or the videos that I downloaded on my phone, right? You can just, if you are using both Android or iPhone for that matter, you can just go back to your screen and go ahead to your files, right? In the files, you will be able to see right here in the downloads whether it was on your iPhone, my iPhone, or even on your iCloud. Just go ahead and double check in the downloads, and you'll be able to see your current downloads from your other browser, whether it was Google Chrome, Safari, whatever it is, right? So you will find it in your own files after the download is finished, right? And you'll be able to witness the download has been processed and everything. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.